Let's learn how to get data from a picture straight into Excel. We are going to start with a picture from the web. I'm going to go to Firefox, then search data tables, go to images, then change the rights to Creative Commons licenses. Then I'm going to go straight into this picture here. So this is a picture I want to use. I'm going to right click this and save as, then save that, then go back to Excel. Now, from the data tab where we have get and transform data, go to get data from other sources, then down here, choose picture. Now remember, this is only available in Excel 2019, Office 365 2019, and some latest versions of Mac. So I'll choose from picture. Then this will load a panel on the right where Excel is going to read your image. Once it has read this, you'll see that, then you can insert data or review it. For this case, I'm going to insert. Then it will ask me that there are 14 items still to require review. Then you are responsible for validating the accuracy of this data. I say okay. Then first just insert anyway. Then it gets me this data, and almost all the data sets are here. So now I can validate what I want, delete the columns that I don't need, like this, and this, and delete. Now I have my data loaded from my picture straight to Excel. Thanks for watching.